Hi everybody, welcome back to Be Creative Studio. Today I want to share with you 3 simple blue and white crafts for Mother's Day. I see the blue and white trend in catalogs and in home decor and craft stores. You can get the same trendy look on a budget, so let's get started. First up is this super cute koi fish soap dispenser. I take a recycled soap pump, remove the stickers, and paint it with white chalk paint. This beautiful koi fish napkin is from Etsy. For more information, please check out the description box below. I use only the topmost layer of the napkin and cut out pieces of the design to fit the bottle. For this project, I'm using the hard coat formula of Mod Podge to enhance the durability. Here is one side finished. I'll do the same to the other side. Once the glue has dried, I apply a couple of coats of polyacrylic to seal. I love the transformation of this recycled soap dispenser. The second craft is this blue and white jar with lid. I start with a recycled pickle jar and paint it with some white chalk paint. For this project, I'll be decoupaging a piece of beautiful blue and white fabric from Hobby Lobby. I apply Mod Podge to the jar and place my fabric where I want it. Then I apply another coat of Mod Podge to the fabric. I repeat this process all the way around the jar. To get a nice edge for the bottom, I make some cuts along the edge, then fold in the fabric and apply Mod Podge to seal everything. I make sure the top edge is also glued down all the way around. I decoupage the same fabric to the lid and secure the sides with beacon fabric tack and hot glue. For the finial, I paint a wooden topper white and hot glue it to the lid. I love how adorable this former pickle jar turned out. Our final project is this blue and white planter made with a Dollar Tree plastic pot. First, I spray paint the interior and exterior of the planter white and let that dry overnight. I'll be using this beautiful Peacock napkin I got from Etsy. I'm using the outdoor Mod Podge for this project. The consistency of the outdoor formula is much thicker than the regular formula. The cure time for the outdoor formula is 4 weeks. After a month, I think it can safely live outside. To cover the panel with the blue and white design, I cut the napkins into smaller pieces to cover my surface. I go ahead and embellish the corners of the planter with some pearls from the Dollar Tree. For now, I'm using this planter with some artificial peonies before I find a nice plant for it. Well, there you have it. 3 on-trend blue and white crafts you can make with recycled and Dollar Tree materials. These would make lovely Mother's Day gifts or decor around the house. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.